Every hour a critical machine is down, manufacturers lose time, margin, and trust. Predict AI changes that equation. We built an intelligent operational layer on top of Tableau Cloud that connects data, prediction, action, and auditability into one cohesive system, so teams see the problem, know the cause, and act before the failure happens. Today, operations suffer from noisy sensors, fractured sources, and manual thresholds. Data lives in PLCs, ERP, CSVs, and scattered APIs. Dashboards show what happened, not what's about to happen. The result: surprise failures, rushed repairs, and costly downtime. Predict AI unifies these threads. Our semantic model maps business entities, equipment, time, maintenance, parts, into one canonical layer. Real-time IoT pipelines feed a feature store and a predictive engine that outputs failure probability and remaining useful life. Because it's built directly on Tableau Cloud, those predictions become first-class measures in your dashboards and actionable elements in your workflows. Trust matters. Every prediction is paired with explainability, top contributing features, confidence scores, and model lineage. Engineers and data stewards can inspect model versions, metrics, and training data, so recommendations are auditable and defensible. Insight without action is opportunity lost. Agentforce playbooks turn predictions into automated work orders, parts reservations, and technician push notifications. One click in a Tableau tile creates a field service work order, or triggers a vetted automation, closing the loop from insight to outcome. Extensibility is native. SDKs, APIs, and Tableau extensions let partners and customers build plugins, custom connectors, and UI widgets. Governance is built in, RBAC, signed extensions, versioning, and an optional immutable audit trail for compliance. The results are tangible. Simulated and field trials show material reductions, less unplanned downtime, lower maintenance costs, faster MTTR, and higher parts availability. Teams make faster, safer decisions. Operations stop reacting and start preventing. Predict AI is more than a model. It's an operational nervous system for the factory floor, observable, explainable, and actionable from Tableau Cloud. Try the demo, explore the semantic model, and imagine the hours and dollars you can save when your dashboards not only warn you, but fix the problem for you. Welcome, this is Predict AI, our Tableau Cloud native predictive maintenance platform. On the landing page you'll see a high-level product banner and quick links to the dashboard, equipment catalog, and recent alerts. This page is designed for operators and decision makers. One click to the live operational view, one click to create or review work orders, and one click to the developer portal if you want to drill into the semantic model or extensions. Now we're on the dashboard, the operational nerve center. At the top are 3 KPI tiles: unplanned downtime, maintenance cost, and MTTR. These update from our real-time semantic model and show the latest improvements. Below, the equipment health map shows every asset in the plant with color-coded health: green, amber, red. When you hover, the tooltip surfaces the predicted failure probability, the estimated remaining useful life, and the top contributing factors. The heat map at the center is backed by hyper-pre aggregates, so it's interactive and fast. You can filter by facility, equipment type, or time horizon. On the right is our action panel, recommended playbooks. These are Agentforce actions you can trigger with one click: create a work order, reserve a part, or push a task to a technician's mobile app. Everything you see here comes from the semantic layer and the real-time pipeline, so your business terms stay consistent across teams. Let's open a single piece of equipment to inspect details. The equipment page aggregates master data, live telemetry, and prediction history. At the top is the asset card, name, model, installation date, and criticality. Below that is the timeline, recent sensor streams, short-term trend sparkline, and the prediction band showing failure probability over the next 7 to 30 days. On the right is top contributing factors. Those are model explainability outputs. They tell you why the model flagged this asset: vibration spikes, rising temperature, or sudden power cycles. Each factor links to the raw data and the transformation in the feature store. If you need to act, the Create Work Order button is right here and pre-populates technician, priority, and suggested parts. This one-click workflow closes the loop. Insight Decision Action. Now let's show how the analytics connect directly to Tableau Cloud. The dashboards here are standard Tableau visualizations, but they're powered by our semantic model. Pre-aggregates served through the Hyper API let Tableau perform lightning-fast queries while preserving the same canonical definitions: equipment, sensor readings, predictions. When you click a data point in Tableau, the Viz extension can trigger a backend webhook, open the equipment detail in the app, call an Agentforce playbook, or post into Slack. Because we use the same semantic model, fields and measures map one-to-one, analysts and operators speak the same language. And for auditability, each prediction we display links back to an immutable audit record hash, so every critical decision has a cryptographic trail. Let's walk a maintenance workflow. From the dashboard or equipment page, I click Create Work Order. Agentforce receives the trigger, runs the playbook, and creates a field service work order in Salesforce. The work order includes priority, suggested parts, and a link back to the prediction and the explainability panel. Simultaneously, the system can reserve parts in ERP and push a mobile task to a technician with offline mode supported. All actions are logged for traceability: the workflow run, the API results, and the on-chain audit hash if required. This automation dramatically shortens the time from detection to resolution and reduces manual coordination overhead. Alerts are pushed proactively to teams. We route by equipment ownership so the right maintenance channel or on-call rotation receives the message. Our alert service uses Redis-backed dedupe and cooldown windows so the same anomaly doesn't spam the channel. Subsequent updates are added in the same Slack thread. Interactive buttons let a responder acknowledge, open the work order, or view the Tableau dashboard directly from Slack. This keeps incident context in one place. Finally, the settings page lets admins tune thresholds, map equipment to teams, rotate model versions, and configure Solana write policies. Click Settings briefly. That's everything: a closed, auditable loop from data to prediction to action, all orchestrated from Tableau Cloud. View the code at the GitHub repo linked in the demo.